Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, we see exercise 3.2. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. So question number 1, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of students is as follows. So scores are given to you 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So here we need to find the median and mode. Okay, so for finding out median, our first work is to arrange the numbers either in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Okay, for finding out the median, first of all we need to arrange the data, arrange the numbers either in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Okay, here we are going with ascending order. So arranging the given data in ascending order. So ascending order of all these number is 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. So now we need to find the median. So what is the formula of median? Okay, so here first of all we need to find total how many observations are given to you, total how many numbers are given to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n is equals to 15, total numbers is equals to 15. Okay, first of all we need to find the total numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total 15 numbers are there. So n is equals to 15. Now for finding out the median, we can use the formula. So median m is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay, we can use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now put the value of n here. So your n is equals to 15. So 15 plus 1 by 2 observation. Now 15 plus 1 16 divided by 2 8th observation. Right? So 8th observation. So this 8 is not our answer, but here we need to count the 8th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on 8 number, on 8th position we have the answer 20. So answer of our median is equals to 20. Okay, this is our median. Again I will show you the method. Median m is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. This is the formula. You need to use this formula. Put the value of n, that means total numbers, 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. So 15 plus 1, it is 16. So 16 by 2th observation. 16 by 2, it's a 8. So 8th observation. Now 8 is not your answer, but you need to check the position of number 8. Okay, we need to find the 8th position in the ascending order. Okay, our first work is to arrange the data in ascending order. After that we need to use this formula. Here our answer is 8th observation. So 8th position is our answer. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So on 8th position we have the answer 20. So this is the answer of your median. Okay, median, that means middle value. So exactly middle value we have 20. So median is equals to 20. After that we need to find the mode. Mode is very easy. Okay, it is easy to find the mode. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Okay, mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. That means highest number of times repeating the number. So here if we think about the highest number of times, so 20 we have 4 times, 25 we have only 2 times. So highest number of times 20 is repeat here, right? 20 is repeating highest number of times 4 times. So 20 is becomes our answer. Okay, सो सबसे ज्यादा बार रिपीट होगा वो हमारा आंसर होगा मोड का। ओके, सबसे ज्यादा बार जो रिपीट होगा वो हमारे मोड का आंसर होगा। हियर 20 जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा बार रिपीट हो रहा है, जो सबसे ज्यादा बार रिपीट हो वही आंसर है मोड का। सो योर मोड इज इक्वल टू 20। okay, so mod is equals to 20 and median is equals to 20. So our last question, find the mod and median of this data. Are they same? Yes, they are same because both have the same answer 20. So yes, mod and median are the same for the given observation. It is not always true, but for this question we have the answer yes. Yes, mod and median are same of given observation. Okay, after that, question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Okay, 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Okay, first of all we need to find the mean, median and mode. So if we want to find the median, so either we need to arrange this data in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Okay, either we need to arrange this data in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. So here we are going with ascending order. So ascending order of this data is 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. Ascending order means what? First of all we need to write the smallest number, after that biggest, 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 biggest and the at last highest number. Okay, so we need to arrange the numbers according to its value from lowest to highest. It is ascending order. Okay, so first of all we need to arrange the data either in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Here we are going with ascending order. So ascending order of this data is 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. Now here we need to find mean, median and mode. So first of all mean. Mean means what? Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. Okay, we already learned the mean in exercise 3.1. Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. So in numerator we need to find the addition of all this number. Okay, so we need to add all this number and divided by total number of observations. Here it is already given in the equation, total 11 players are there. Otherwise we can also count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 numbers are there. So in denominator 11. Okay, in numerator sum of all the observations divided by total observations 11. Now if we add all this number we get the answer 429 divided by 11. So 11 3s are 33, 9 remainder 99. So 9s are. So our final answer is 39. Again, mean is equals to sum of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. So in numerator we need to add all this number divided by total number of observations 11. Addition is 429 divided by 11. So answer is 39. So this is the answer of mean. After that we need to find the mode. Mode means mode is the observation occurred highest number of times. So here highest number of times, if we think about the 10 it repeats 2 times. If we think about the 15 it repeats 3 times. So highest number of times 15 is repeating here, right? 15 is the most repetitive value because 15 is repeated 3 times here. So answer of mode it is 15. Most repetitive value, it is the answer of mode. Okay, most repetitive value, here 15 is repeating 3 times, so 15 is our answer. Here 10 is repeating only 2 times, so it is not our answer. Highest repetitive value, so it is 15 because 15 is repeating 3 times here. Okay, so answer of our mode is equals to 15. Now at last we need to find the median. So formula for median M is equals to n plus 1 by 2 observation. Now n, that means total numbers, that we already find here 11, right? So n is equals to 11 total numbers. Now put the value of n, so 11 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. 11 plus 1, 12, 12 by 2th observation, 12 by 2, that means 6, so sixth observation. Okay, sixth observation, so just count down here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at 6th position we have the answer 15, so median is equals to 15. Okay, we need to use the formula for median, n plus 1 by 2th observation. Our value of n is equals to 11, 11 plus 1, 12 by 2th observation. Okay, 12 by 2, it's a 6, so sixth observation, so we need to count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at 6th position we have answer 15, so our median is equals to 15. Okay, so students, total here we have three things. Mean, it is represented by x bar, median it is represented by m, and mode it is represented by m0, otherwise z. Okay, for mean we have the formula sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. For median we need to arrange the data in ascending order, after that n plus 1 by 2th observation, and mode we can directly find here most repetitive value. Okay, here our answer of median it is 39, mode 15, median is 15. So these two answers are same, but all these three answers are not same. It's a different, right? Here at last question, are the three same? So no. Here our mean is different. So no, the mean, median and mode are not same. Okay. After that, question number 3. The weight of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? So here we need to find the median. So first of all, we need to arrange the data either in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Here we are going with ascending order. So ascending order of all this data is 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47, 50. Okay, now first of all we need to find the mode. Mode, that means most repetitive value. Mode means most repetitive value. Here 38 is repeating 3 times. 43 is repeating 3 times. So here we have two numbers. Here we have two numbers which are repeating equal number of times. Okay. Most repetitive value. So here we have two values, 38 and 43, because both are repeating 3 times. So here we have two answers for mode, 38 and 43. Okay, most repetitive value. So we have the two answer, 38 and 43. So answer of mode is equals to 38 and 43. Okay. Here one more question is there. Is there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes. Okay. Is there more than one mode? So yes, there are two modes, because here we have two answers. And we need to find the median. Okay. For finding out the median, we need to use the formula m is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. First of all, we need to find the value of n. Okay, so count down, just count the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your n is equals to 15, because total 15 numbers are there. Now put the value of n is equals to 15. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 2th observation. Okay. Median is equals to 16 by 2th observation. Now 16 by 2. that means 8th observation. Okay, so just count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8th position we have the answer 40, so median is equals to 40. Okay, very easy. Again, for finding out median, we need to put the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation, n is equals to 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 2, 8th observation. So just count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. On 8th position we have the answer 40, so median is equals to 40. After that, question number 4, find the mode and median of this data 13 16 12 14 19 12 14 13 14. Here we need to find the median, right? Here we need to find the median. So for finding out median, we need to arrange all this data either in ascending order, otherwise in descending order, but here we are going with ascending order. So ascending order of all these numbers is 12 12 13 13 14 14 14 16 19. Okay, now we need to find the mode. So here 12 is repeating 2 times, 13 is repeating 2 times, 14 is repeating 3 times. So most repetitive value. So here 14 repeats 3 times, so our answer is 14. Most repetitive value. Okay, 12 is repeating 2 times, 13 is repeating 2 times, 14 is repeating 3 times. So most repetitive value, it is 14. So mod is equals to 14. After that, we need to find the median. For finding out the median, first of all we need to find the total numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So your n is equals to 9. Now we need to use the formula for median. M is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Put the value of n here. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 2, 5th observation. Okay, so we need to find the 5th observation. So just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 5th position we have answer 14. So median is equals to 14. Okay, again median M is equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Your value of n, it is 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2th observation, 9 plus 1 10 by 2, 5th observation. Okay, so just count here 1 2 3 4 5. At 5th position we have answer 14, so median is equals to 14. Okay, after that, question number 5, tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay, first of all, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, it's a true. Because what is the formula of mode? Most repetitive value. Okay, so most repetitive value always lies in the data. Okay, because mode means what? Most repetitive values from the given data. Right, so it is always, the mode is always the answer of one of the answers of the data. So it's a true. Okay, that means here our answer of mode it is 14, right? But this answer we got from the data. Okay, this answer we get from the given data. So mode it is always there in the given data. Okay, so mode is always one of the numbers in a data. It's a true. Okay, then mean is one of the numbers in a data. Mean is one of the numbers in a data. False. Sometime it's a true but not always. Okay, sometime it's a true but not always. Here we have one example for mean. Okay, here we have so many observations, but our answer of mean it is 39. 39 it is not there in the equation in the given data. Okay, because mean represents one average. It does not necessary that always it is from the given numbers. Sometimes it's a true but not always. Here we get the answer 39, but 39 is not there in the data. Okay, so this statement is false. Min is not one of the numbers in a data. After that, for median, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, it's a true. Okay, because median means what? Middle number, but middle number of the observation. So definitely it is there in the data. Okay, that's why median is, for median it is true. Okay, because median it is always there in the data, because middle value it is from the data, so always median is always one of the numbers in a data. It's a true. Okay, so for mod it is always one of the numbers in a data. True. Min it is not one of the numbers in a data, that's why false. Median it is always numbers, always one of the numbers in the data. True. After that, last question, the data 6 4 3 8 9 12 39 has min 9. Okay, has min 9, so we need to check here. So min x bar is equals to, now in numerator we need to write the addition of all this number, right? So 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 8 21, plus 9 30, plus 12 43, plus 13 55, plus 9 64, divided by total numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total numbers 8, right? Again, x bar, in numerator we need to write the addition of all this number, it is 64, divided by total number of observations 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 observations are there. So 8 8s are 64, so our answer of min it is 8, but here it is written 9, that's why false. Okay, so students, here our exercise 3.2 is complete. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please write down in comment section, I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.